In coin-op laundries today, cycle prices are always based on a full load. Customers must pay full price regardless of their actual load size. Yet customers often don't fill to capacity, and laundry owners pay for water as if washers are fully loaded. That's not so good for customers or store owners. Laundrylux and Electrolux announce the Universal Washer, a revolution in coin-op laundries. Introducing Smart Op Laundry. Universal washers automatically know the exact laundry weight as customers load the washer. The display shows both the weight and cycle price increasing as the washer is loaded. Precision laundry with precision pricing is the Smart Op revolution. Customers will switch to Universal laundries because precision pricing is fairer. Universal washer store owners will maximize revenues by capturing the market with lower utility costs. Customers can use any size washer knowing they will always be charged fairly. Who would ever wash anywhere else? And Universal automatically lowers water consumption to match the load, saving big money. Universal washers are revolutionizing the professional laundry industry. Invented by Laundrylux and Electrolux, patent pending, and exclusively available from Laundrylux. Partner with Laundrylux and join the Universal Washer Revolution. Laundrylux.com